Okay, so welcome back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put everything together, and the rest of the videos for this section is going to be for graphing, or on how to graph the sketch of the graph of a function. Okay, so basically we're going to use everything that we've learned from college algebra, trigonometry, and now involving limits and critical points and the first and second derivative, to put it all together for us to help us sketch a graph of the function. Okay, so now, here are the guidelines. Okay, so given a function f, use the following to sketch the graph of f. 1, determine the domain, right? That's important, okay? Determine the domain, see if there's any restricted values that you need to consider, right? Also, 2, locate x and y intercepts, okay? Again, nothing different than what we've done in algebra. Now, 3 is where we get to determining end behavior, but this is where we're going to use limits to help us. So evaluate the limit as x goes to either positive and negative infinity, and to determine what the end behavior is, to find horizontal asymptotes, to find oblique asymptotes if they exist, and also to see whether it goes off to positive or negative infinity as x goes to positive or negative infinity. 4, determine if any vertical asymptotes exist. Okay. Now, 5, well, let me see here. Yeah, 5, calculate f prime, right? So you're going to calculate the first derivative, and then you're going to use the first derivative to find all the critical points, right? Determine all the intervals of where the function is increasing or decreasing, and also use the first derivative test to find where the local extrema are, where the local maximums and local minimums are, okay? And then 6, calculate the second derivative so you can determine the intervals of concavity, so you can see if it curves up or curves down over a certain interval. You can also use that to find the inflection points, and you can also use the second derivative test to verify local extrema. Okay, and so these are the 6 steps that you should use as a guideline to sketch the graph of any of the functions that we're dealing with. And so again, from this point forward, all of the examples we're going to do are going to involve sketching graphs, and we're going to walk through these 6 steps. Okay, have a great day.